Okay, today's video is going to be inking a pillow cover. So I just got some new transfers in from Couture and I'm super excited. So I'm going to do a video and see how it comes out. Alrighty, so I have my inking mat here to protect the other side. I have my pillow cover that I'm going to ink. Mat in here. Alrighty, flip this over, and I prepared the inside also with parchment paper just to protect it, to not stain it. Okay. Okay, so I just got my new transfers in. It's Paris. And since it's going on fabric, I don't have to lint it as I would if I was going to use a chalkboard or any other kind of surface. Okay. So we're going to separate it here. If I could get this sticker off. Okay. Okay. So try and center it. And then smooth it out so you don't have any air bubbles. Okay. And then we're going to use Storm ink. And you have to be very careful not to get it on any outside of the fabric because it'll stain it. Just want to get it on your design. What's nice about these transfers, you can use the same transfer as you do with the ink, and you can use it to chalk something. You could do it to etch glass if you get some armor etch, and you put the same transfer on a piece of glass. It won't ruin the transfer, and you'll have a nice piece of etched glass with a beautiful design. Okay, so we just make sure we got everything in there. Wipe off the excess. And now we're gonna peel. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so then I'm just gonna put my transfer in some water so I can clean that off. And then I'll show you how it came out. Now I'm gonna let this sit for a minute and dry before I heat press it. And then I'll show you how I heat press it with my Cricut Easy Press. And it just takes 30 seconds on 330 degrees. Okay. Alrighty, so I let this dry to the touch. Now I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper, and then we're going to heat press it at 330 for 30 seconds. And then you can wash this and you'll have no problem. Nothing to peel off, nothing to smear. These inks are fantastic. Okay, that's it. So there we go. Now I'm gonna stuff it so we can see how it looks as a pillow. you have it. A beautiful pillow for your couch, for your bed, or for your craft room. Thanks for watching. See you next time.